Hello viewers, in this video I will show two ways how to recover your Facebook password. First of all, I try to log in my Facebook account using my mobile number. I forgot my password accessing. You can see the password is wrong and I will try to forget. Then continue. Please check your mobile number in phone to send your 6-digit code. Then input here. Then continue again and input a new password. I am inputting my own password. Then continue. You can see that I log in my account. I forgot my password. Then again I recover and log in my Facebook account. Then I will show another way to recover your Facebook account. Go to Facebook. Then try to this way you can use in your Facebook account username. Then I input my username, then search. Then you can find out. I find out my account. Then continue. The same way as send the password in your cell phone. Then input your 6-digit code. Then continue and input your own password. Then continue. Here I log out others devices. Then start checking Facebook, checking own way. And finally log in my account. Thanks for watching.